Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm just going to be talking about the grain stink Bessie, better known as the grain chinch bug. This is a phytosanitary pest of deciduous fruit, and it is known to be mostly endemic to the Western Cape, and it's mostly problematic in the Southwestern Cape. And we have had quite a lot of trouble with consignment rejections due to this insect pest. And that makes it a pest of economic importance in South Africa, especially for the deciduous fruit. So what happens is the grain chinch bug, as you can see it there, it's a tiny little insect pest, belongs to the family Ligidae. And these are basically known as the grain feeders, and they feed on triticum species or your grasses or your cereal crops. But due to their peculiar migrating, shelter-seeking behavior, they migrate from our wheat or wild grasses into our fruit orchards, and accidentally they get picked as they hide in fruit cavities, and then after that they get shipped together with the consignment to European markets or international destinations, where they get intercepted, and then we get a problem of container rejections, and sometimes we get our containers being destroyed. So what we basically did was we tried to see, to test the preferences, like what does the grain chinch bug look for? How does it end up in our orchards? How does it end up on our fruit? So we did some experiments where we took the insect and we put it in an arena. We used silhouettes of different colors and shapes to see if they prefer certain colors or certain shapes of the silhouettes. So after we did that, this is what we came up with. We found out that they preferred to go towards the silhouettes that were more rectangular as compared to the triangle or the circle or the square. And we also found out that they preferred to go for black silhouettes and red silhouettes as compared to green and yellow. Further than that, we also did pattern experiments where we tested to see if there was a preference for black and white patterns or red and white patterns, and this is what we saw, that they preferred black and white just the same as they preferred red and white. So according to what we saw, the preferences that they showed us through the experiments, we saw that the rectangular shape is more attractive, and probably because it's perpendicular, and to them it's something that they can easily see from a distance. And the black and red were more preferred as well, and we wondered why they preferred red, because I mean they showed that they preferred black, and which means that they were a bit more scodotactic, meaning that they wanted to advance towards the dark, but they also preferred red. And we assume now that probably they don't see red, because most insects don't see red, so probably they just sort of like used the hue, and then they went towards the red as well, is the same as they went for the black. So what we will do is, these findings are crucial in that we can actually probably use this to create or some control measures or some monitoring ways. We can actually use this to our advantage as we create traps or stuff like that in our control measures. So basically that's it. That's what we have found on the grain chinch bug this far. And I would like to thank Whereto Science for funding the project, and everyone listed there. And thank you so much.